Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 3 top profitable Amazon KDP keywords to do with the Valentine's Day niche. Now, this is an updated list of keywords that are carefully researched using 4 free Chrome extensions that determine the profitability of these keywords. We have a couple of metrics that we're going to follow in order to determine if the keyword is profitable and where it is best suited for, whether it is the title, the subtitle, or in the 7 keyword slots for us to utilize the maximum potency of these keywords. Now, with that being said, if you are looking for an updated list of carefully researched KDP keywords, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new daily videos. Now, let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And our first keyword for the day is Valentine's Day puzzle book for adults. Valentine's Day puzzle book for adults is a wonderful keyword. It has a really strong keyword niche score of 74 by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension. 74 is quite strong. We have the green light ready to go by Titans. Also, the total results are acceptable. They're currently sitting within the 1,000-2,000 range, and the total results are currently 1,839. Average bestseller rank is also acceptable. It is within 300 to 400,000, and it is sitting at an average of 395,198. We have an average reviews of 4 and an average price of $6.64. Scrolling through, we have a couple of books that are sponsored, so we're just going to go ahead and ignore the top 2 that are sponsored, and we're going to start focusing on the books afterwards. This one's Valentine's Day activity book for adults. It is a different book because it is basically an activity book and it contains some puzzles inside, but they've chosen to utilize this keyword for the 7 keyword slots. It's not, this keyword exactly is not mentioned in the title or in the subtitle, so it is therefore mentioned in the 7 keyword slots, and they've managed to get a ranking on the first page on the second results. This one also, it's not the exact same keyword, it is another keyword. And they've also utilized 7 keyword slots for this keyword. We have also another book right over here. We have all these wonderful books that have great bestseller ranks as well. So you could utilize this keyword for your 7 keyword slots, or you could utilize this keyword for your title. Do whatever you see necessary. And it's really important as well to maintain that theme of Valentine's Day. Now, you could niche down based on the sizing. For example, if you want your book to be a travel size, make it a 6x9. If you want it to be a large print, make it an 8.5 times 8.5 inches. If you want it to follow a specific theme, apart from Valentine's Day, of course, another sub theme as well would do with hearts, flowers, any sort of like element or visual element as well that has to do with Valentine's Day, then maintain that theme and make it clear to your audience that it is following that visual theme element as well. So that was the first keyword for the day. Let's head over to the second keyword for the day, and our second keyword is Valentine's Day word search for couples. Valentine's Day word search for couples has a great profitability metric. First of all, we have a strong keyword niche score of 68 by self-publishing Titans Chrome extension. It is a strong, powerful keyword. We also have a clarification by Amazon's Pro Chrome extension, which has given us a number 7, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. The total results are 331. They're below 1,000, which is also great to see. However, the bestseller rank is a little bit high. It is currently averaging 736,033. One strategy to cut down through the bestseller rank being high is to niche down. Now, we could niche down according to the size, for example. In this case, because we have what we need, we can niche down according to the types of couples. Are they senior couples? Are they new couples? Are they married couples? That kind of thing as well. So niching down according to the types of couples and according to the sizing of the book, whether it's a large print 8.5 times 11, or whether it is a travel size, or whether it is a pocket size, which is an 8.5 times 8.5 inches. So that's one strategy to cut through the bestseller rank being high. Another strategy is to be able to utilize this wonderful keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots for any connecting book that we have currently in our portfolio to do with Valentine's Day, and it is a word search type of book, or it is an activity book, for example, or it is a puzzle book. We could go ahead and add this wonderful keyword to the 7 keyword slots for our book, update the 7 keyword slots, and we get our book ranking for this as well. So that's if you are concerned about being the bestseller rank being a little bit high. Also, we have an average reviews of 147 and an average price of $7.73. Scrolling down, avoiding the top 2 sponsored books, we have a couple of other books that are ranking quite well here. This one, for example, already sponsored. We have these books. This one, for example, has the 5-star rating and 41 reviews. This one has 31. It is currently having a bestseller rank of 69,099. This one's a 7,748. Of course, the lower the better. This one is also having a bestseller rank of 16,000. Now, another strategy is for you to be able to maximize the amount of keyword research that you get to do within one keyword session or niche research session is to scroll down in the books on the first page. You can get a really good indication of some of the keywords that are selling well. For example, if you find a book with a good bestseller rank, such as this one, 16,312, have a look at the title, have a look at the subtitle. For example, we have this one here as well with a bestseller rank of 65,000. This one is 20,000. For example, have a look at the title, see if search the title up, activate all of the 4 free Chrome extensions, and have a look at the title or the subtitle, for example, search it up and determine its ranking, its keyword niche score, its bestseller rank as well for that keyword, and then you'll be able to get a couple of keywords that fit within the profitability metrics, which is the bestseller rank being preferably within the 400,000 or lower, the total reviews being, the total results being within the 1,000, 2,000 preferably, and a keyword niche score preferably within the 50s and above for both Chrome extensions. That really indicates that this keyword is profitable, and you could also add it to your Excel sheet or to your notebook as well. So that was the second keyword for the day. Let's dive into the third keyword for the day, and our third keyword is love coupons for him or her. Now, this is also a great keyword. It has a keyword niche score of 58 and a keyword niche score of number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. Coming to the total results, they're currently sitting at 925, which is less than 1,000. The average bestseller rank is a little bit on the higher side, above 500,000, but we can adopt the same strategies that we talked about in the first keyword, which is what to do if you have a high bestseller rank, yet you still want to take advantage of the keyword, which is niching down, and niching down according to the theme or according to the sizing as well, or to the audience. So here our book is going to be about love coupons. You can get a couple of amazing templates for love coupons as well, available in sites such as Creative Fabrica. Now I also have a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica linked in the description box below if you would like to check that one out. You would be able to get access to 10 free downloads of your choice within that 30-day period, and you can cancel if you don't like to continue with the free trial. So that was the third keyword, love coupons for him or her. Let's have a look at our fourth and final keyword. Our fourth and final keyword is craft paper sheets Valentine's Day. And this keyword is a great keyword to be used for the 7 keyword slots, for example, for anything to do with scrapbook paper that has some of the themes of Valentine's Day, whether that is flowers or that is hearts or that is any sort of maintaining that element, that visual element of Valentine's Day. We could add this keyword to the 7 keyword slots. Now, why did I say to the 7 keyword slots instead of the title or subtitle? Because of the total results being 5,000 and above, it is ideally best for the 7 keyword slots. So the total results for this is 5,790. We have an average bestseller rank within the acceptable metric, which is under 300,000, and it's currently averaging 199,600. The average reviews are 27, and our average price is $13.54. We also have a clarification by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, giving us a number 8 for this keyword, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. Now number 9 is the highest, and I'm pretty happy with number 8 right here. Also, if you haven't yet dived into the scrapbooking niche, I've got a couple of videos for you already linked in the description box below for the scrapbooking niche profitable keywords that you can dive in. This is a wonderful niche that you can dive in, and it's really easy. It's super effective as well, and very profitable. And I've dived in a couple of sub niches that you can start creating books for. Creating a craft paper sheet would be ideally an 8.5 times 8.5 inches. Now you can also go through and create a large print, which is an 8.5 times 11. That would be a bit of a special, but as you are scrolling down, the majority of the sizes that you are willing to create for a scrapbooking type of niche is an 8.5 times 8.5 inches as well. So you can be able to get wonderful themes for that available in Creative Fabrica. All you need to do is just click on the link below and then go ahead and search up craft paper or scrapbooking paper or digital paper. All of these keywords can be used, and then add to that Valentine's Day flowers or hearts or whatever element that you want to emphasize in there as well. Now another thing for you to do is to niche down according to what kinds of Valentine's Day elements you want to use. For example, some people just love this kind of thing, which is more to do with like fabric or sewing, so they've decided to niche down within the Valentine's Day niche to these kinds of visuals. This one, for example, is mostly hearts as well, so you can use that as an element. This one, for example, is more to do with colorful rather than dark elements. So see what you can do, and I've shared with you today 4 free profitable Chrome extensions, starting with the Valentine's Day puzzle book for adults with a keyword niche score of 74. Our second was Valentine's Day word searches for couples with a keyword niche score of 68. Our third one was love coupons for him or her with a niche score of 58. And lastly, we had craft paper sheets Valentine's Day with a keyword niche score of number 8. I wish you all the best. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.